All right, guys, at this point, I feel like I'm an expert on floor mats for your vehicle. So if you got new vehicles and you need to install lifelong products in there, such as floor mats. All right, so Odro sent us out a care package here for my wife's vehicle, front and rear floor mats. And we're gonna go over them and show you guys what they include, the fit and finish and the quality throughout this video. Currently, she has some regular floor mats from Caterpillar, so we'll compare it to your basic generic floor mats as well. And I'll let you know my honest opinion between the top brands such as WeatherTech to some mid-grade brands. How do these compare? Because I've tested high grade, mid-grade, Amazon grade, and now we got Odro for the testing here. All right, so we got the Odro floor mats taken out of the packaging. One thing you have to do when you get these floor mats is just put them out in the sun, let them bake a little bit, let them get a little bit more malleable, because when they're in the packaging, some of the shapes, as you can see right over here, are a little bent from shipping. So definitely let them cure outside for a little bit. But first impressions, they're pretty good. They feel like a good material. It's not super thin where some of them will just bend. Like you can see it retains its shape pretty well. Contours and everything look good. We'll see how the 3D cut actually is and how it contours to the vehicle. But overall looks good. Very simple design. It does have some kind of texture because it is a little bit of almost like a slip resistant. Some of them I tested were just hard plastic. This does feel a little softer to the touch. I'd say it's medium grade softness, because I've seen some that even have higher grip levels, but that might be excessive. But this feels pretty good. Small little logo right over here. I prefer logos not to be excessive. Some of the brands have big stamps here, so I like to keep it stealth, keep it low key. But overall, pretty good floor mat. As far as material, you can see if you come closer, it does have raised grooves inside, which will trap all the dirt, moisture, debris, snow throughout the life cycle. So it does have pretty good grooves in here. Now going on to the back again, same kind of texture. The only drawdown I have right now, without it being in the vehicle and without it being cured, are these edges right over here. I feel like these are just a little short. Although, you know, the water and moisture might not get all the way to the end. I wish these were a little bit raised, which we'll see. Maybe they have something to bump against in the vehicle, which will raise them. But other than that, they look pretty good. And yeah, so for the price, they might actually do really well compared to the competition, which is 2 to 3 times more expensive than these Odro floor mats. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys the ones that are in the car now, the Caterpillar ones. We'll install them and we'll compare the fit and finish. All right, going into the vehicle, these are the floor mats that we currently have and are using. As you can see, they do heavy lifting in my wife's car. Doesn't perfectly align everywhere. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt around the edges, and right off the bat here, you can see it does, the footwell doesn't contour whatsoever. Sure, there's some material there, but then there's this big gap void right over here, you can see. So not a good fit and finish. On the passenger side, it's a little bit better. It covers a little bit more area, but it's still lacking coverage towards the top where most of your feet will be resting. So let's take these out, compare them to the Odro ones. Here we got the competition, the Odro versus the CAD. That's the driver's side. This is the passenger side. So let's install it and see if we get the coverage we need. Obviously, you see the raised edges and contouring of the dead pedal right here, which these are obviously flat, not laser cut, just a generic brand. But for the price you pay for this and this, you might as well invest a little bit more and get custom laser cut material. All right, going in with the driver's side. Do you have, oh yeah, you do have clips. So they do have clips here. Let's see if the clips align. Okay, that clipped in good. And that clipped in pretty good. So as you can see, it offers really nice coverage, even around the gas pedal where your foot is gonna be the whole time. So all the drips and everything are just gonna actually be falling down onto this. Yeah, good coverage. I wish the dead pedal cover was a little bit higher. I think that would have made this the best fit and finish. But overall, as you can see, it's got a high line right over here, and it blends in really well on the bottom. So overall, really good finish, good fitment. Like I mentioned, I just wish the dead pedal was a little bit higher, and potentially, if they really wanted to, they can increase some of the coverage right out here. From a driver's perspective, your feet are mostly going to be here, so you get enough coverage. And then, like I said, that's good. Yeah, you see, this is the only thing I wish it was a little bit higher. There we go. Same thing. I like the edges here. Goes up pretty high. Really tight. That's what I like. It's really tight around the circumference. No real gaps. So that's really good actually. And it goes much higher up here. I'm sitting all the way back now. Usually I'm gonna be a little bit forward. So my position would be somewhere right here. Again, plenty of space. All the edges are raised. And yeah, even here, I'm pretty happy with that. That's a really nice fit and finish right here, and cut out from the Odro floor mats for the passenger side. All right, and the biggest difference you're probably gonna notice in the back, these are the Caterpillar floor mats, which just are horrendous, way oversized, don't fit that well, and you got the whole mid portion of the rear exposed to dirt, weather conditions, water, and salt. All right, and as you can see, this is the biggest difference between the rear. All right. Nice curvature around the seat rail. Ooh, really nice curvature out to the end here. Now, it's not perfect because, again, it hasn't been in the sun for too long. But overall, look at that. Really tight around the edges. Again, I love how it contours around here. Pretty good gap over here. Contours really well around the seat rails. Again, the only thing I say could be better if this was a little bit taller, but maybe we can flex this up in the sun for a little bit, and if it settles right there, pretty good, pretty good. Same thing with the other side. Overall, man, this is like, for the price, really good. All right, guys, you can just toss your old floor mats away because Odro has you guys covered. For the price that these cost and the fit and finish they provide is awesome. I think these are close to $100 shipped, and they fit great compared to your WeatherTechs and some of the higher end brands. This competes right with them. You don't need to go super premium, spend $200, $300 on floor mats. These are gonna last the lifetime of your vehicle. They even have a 2-year warranty. The fit and finish and the laser edging is pretty freaking good. Very small, minimal complaints, which pretty much are gonna be irrelevant over the long term. And yeah, if you're looking for a budget set of floor mats, check out Odro right here. I'll have a link in the description. They started making these for different cars, different brands, so they might have it for your vehicle as well. And I honestly think it's a great option for what you pay and what you get. I ain't here for the money.